Hello everybody, welcome back to How to Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the personality settings in printer settings on your Canon i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the menu. Now here select the function settings and go over to printer. Now in the printer settings, click here and scroll down until you guys see the personality. Now here we can change the personality to PS, PCO, PDF and XPS or imaging. Here I'll change it to, let's say, PDF, and as you guys can see now those settings are configured. So we can easily change them. It takes less than 10 seconds and that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.